Hello YouTube, welcome to the garage. Been feeling a little under the weather this week, just getting over a cold, but the work never ceases, so I had to keep pushing through. I'm feeling a little better, but still not quite where I'd like to be. What I'm going to do today is I've been working on videos reviewing some scan tool dongles, a more affordable way for the DIYer or anybody that can't afford a high-end scanner, because they're expensive, the scan tools. Trying to figure out a way that people can work on their own cars, the DIYers, in some affordable tools. Anymore with the new cars with all the modules, you got to have some sort of a scan tool, or else you're kind of lost. I mean, everybody needs a good multimeter or DVOM, digital voltometer, test light, and you need to know how to use those. That's the basics. But having a scan tool where you can interrogate modules and that kind of stuff on the newer vehicles, you sort of kind of got to have those too. But again, they're expensive, and the dongles, the scan tool dongles, seem to be a affordable alternative. And I've got 3 of them. I've got another video where I'm kind of comparing them, and I'll upload that here soon. And I'm gonna record a video of just talking about all 3 of them. That'll be in conjunction with the I tested them on the same vehicle, just to kind of see what they're capable of. And I want to make sure I am not an expert on using scan tools. I'm just learning it, and I just kind of bringing you folks along, see what they'll do, and during my learning process, and maybe you could get some use out of the video. But today, what I'm doing is I actually have an Autel IM508. It's more of a key programming tool, but it does have a diagnostic portion on it. And the newest, the latest and greatest, is the IM608. And from what I understand, the only difference between the IM508 that I have here, I'll show you in just a second, in the IM608 is, number one, the 608 comes with this key programmer here. It's the XP400 Pro, and the IM508 came with the XP200. There's some, the infrared and stuff that's on this, the 200 does not have. So I upgraded to the XP400 Pro, and with the IM508, it's the same thing from what I understand, only the tablet is just a little smaller, and I'm okay with that, to save myself some money. But what I'm going to do today is I'm in the 2012 Kia Sorento that I compared the 3 dongles on, and in that video, I said it was a 2011. It is a 2012, but the build date is September of 2011, but it is a model year 2012. But now, as far as what I have to do today, I just want to clear codes out of it. I've done repairs to it. I'm going to clear the codes, take it for a test drive, that kind of stuff. But I kind of want to see what the IM508 will do as far as the diagnostic. I want to kind of run a scan on it with this and just see what it'll do. So let me get my viewfinder turned around here. Okay. All right, here's the IM508. Let me turn the key on. Okay. All right, so let's go into diagnostics. Okay, and this is a Nissan. Let's see if it'll auto detect. Try and get you where there's no glare. said, I'm just learning this. It is a Kia USA. So that's rental. Yep, that's it. So this is not a instructional video. This is, you know, a video of me learning how to use this thing and seeing what it'll do. Let's do this. Now, let's do an auto scan. What I've done with this, the IM508, I've programmed a couple keys with it. I did a window relearn on a 2008 Land Rover. So we're just seeing what it'll do. Okay, let's see what the report does on this one. I said, I'm just learning how to use this, so by all means, I'm no expert. I'm just trying to see if you can just learn how to use this. That's a history, okay. So we'll do an active test. Okay. Disable injectors, disable coils, that's nice. What are special functions it'll do? Cylinder power balance. Okay. Just kind of looking through here because I, haven't done all this. Okay. I'm just kind of poking at buttons and sharing it with you. Can you see? I'll make sure I got you where you can see. Battery a little low. I had to start it for a little while. Didn't run very long. I'm just seeing what all is in here. Make sure the glare doesn't bother you there. Okay, fuel trim, that's good. Yeah, supposedly this has a full Autel diagnostic suite on it. I'm just looking through here and see what all's on here. Yeah, this is a GDI engine. Okay. Just gotta erase the codes here. This had an intermittent misfire and an intermittent traction control light. Okay. Okay, I just want to start from scratch here, and I'll tell the customer that if the light comes on or if he has any other problems to let me know. But I just wanted to erase everything and start from scratch. What's under here? Let's take a look. Basically all the systems. Okay. Do we look at that? Okay. Back all the way out here. Okay, well, like I said, I just wanted to kind of show you the basics on this. Again, this is not a tutorial. I'm just learning this and gonna share it with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this for a test drive, and then give the customer a call and have them come pick it up, and we'll go from there. So hopefully you learn something from this, or just maybe a little information to help you make a decision on a scancel you might want to buy. As I said, I got this one and still learn how to use it, and along with the dongles. So until then, until I feel a little better, I'll make some more videos. But do me a favor, make sure you like and subscribe. It would really help out the channel, and I'd appreciate it very much. So I will see you in the next video.